What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Baker's DIY Lifestyle. So today we are getting back out into the yard, and we will also be doing a giveaway at the end of this video, so definitely be sure to stay tuned for that as well. But what we will be doing today is getting down some pre-emergent into the yard. So this is actually going to be our second application of the year, and I'm choosing to do it right now because it is supposed to rain later today, and you definitely want to get your pre-emergent watered in order for it to start taking effect, and you don't waste your money throwing that stuff out. So it is now May 5th. It is getting into the later part of summer here in North Carolina. It's starting to get hot. The temperatures are starting to rise. So I've got a huge arsenal of lawn products I'm getting ready to throw out. And you can see them back there on the ground. I've got my Milo, some other nitrogen, insect killer, my pre-emergent, and I've also got some fungicide stuff that I will be getting out all within the next couple weeks. So I'm gonna have a ton of yard videos coming out. And if you do live in our climate in a transition zone and you are growing a cool season grass, all of this information is gonna work for you and getting your yard into the best condition that you can, getting it into summer this year. But with that, what I want to go ahead and show you is the pre-emergent that I'm using today. It is a dithiopyr product. So I started the year with prodiamine, and now halfway through the year I'm doing dithiopyr, just so it's a little bit different of a product, and it works a little bit differently than prodiamine. And of course, I don't know all the ins and out of all that, but I do know just throwing something a little bit different will help with the weeds becoming resistant to the chemical that we're using. So it's always good to alternate what you're spraying every once in a while, just to make sure the yard doesn't adapt to everything that you always use. But I'm gonna get down here and show you the product we're using today. So this is some green lawn crabgrass control. I actually found it at my local Southern States, and you can see it is a 007. So there's no nitrogen or phosphorus in this crabgrass control. And the reason for that is because I have this Milorganite and also another bag of just straight nitrogen that I'm going to put out, and I will explain all that in the next video as to why I'm choosing to do it this way. But if you're a beginner, you can get this product with nitrogen and phosphorus mixed in it as well if you just want to do it in one application. But the stage I'm at in my yard, I definitely like having more control over the chemicals that I'm putting down and the rate of each macro that I'm putting down for everything that I'm putting in the yard. And I've tried to make it more specific to my yard and my area than everything that we're doing here. So since the temperature is warming up, I've been watching our soil temps, and we are creeping up over the 70-degree mark, which is really what you're looking for this second application. The first one I threw in February, soil temps were getting up over 50, in between 50 and 55. That's when you want to get the first one down. And now going into summer, we're going to be doing the same thing just to carry us all the way through the summer, but not wait so long that all the stuff that's going to germinate in the summer has kind of already started. So we're going to go ahead and get this stuff down today. That way we know we're covered and we will be good up until fall, whenever we start to oversee the yard and prepare it for winter. But this crabgrass control does have 7% potash in it, which is going to give us a little bit of resistance for the yard, just to help with any kind of stress or anything going into the summer months. So potash is definitely a good thing to have at any point throughout the year. So that bag covers 15,000 square feet. My yard is 20,000 square feet total if you count the slightly renovated part in the backyard. I'm actually not going to be covering that with this application, just because I know hopefully in the near future it'll probably be getting tore up, and we'll be completely redoing it, reseeding it, and getting it looking 100% back there anyway. So the main thing with me back there is just keeping the grass alive, just to keep the dirt from washing away. So I'm not really concerned about crabgrass or weeds or anything growing as much back there, just because I know that I'm going to be fixing it again in the future. So with this 15,000 square feet coverage, I'll be doing my front yard and then the nice back section of my yard that I know is already finished, and we won't be messing with it. But with that, I'm going to get to throwing this stuff down. All right, so that is all we have for this video today. But now, what I'm going to talk about is the 250 subscriber giveaway. So we finally hit 250 subscribers and I'm super excited. And since we've hit 250, we have already gained another 10 to 12 at this point that you'll be seeing the video. So we are almost already to 275 and then right up on our way to 500. With this giveaway, of course, at this point, I've put out videos about construction, about the yard, about cars and trucks and motorcycles, all kinds of different do-it-yourself videos. And for that reason, if you are watching this video specifically for the giveaway, of course, I don't want to leave anybody out that's just interested in one genre of these do-it-yourself videos. So what I'm going to be giving away is a $25 gift card to either Lowe's or Home Depot. The same way I did with the last giveaway, all you have to do is hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then comment down below Lowe's or Home Depot. That's all you have to do. So instead of putting a date or time on when the giveaway is going to end and I'm going to pick somebody, once we hit 275 subscribers, that next video will be revealing who the winner is. And of course, make sure you follow all the steps, comment Lowe's or Home Depot, tell people to subscribe to the channel as well, because the faster we get to 275, the faster this giveaway is going to end. But with that, I want to thank everybody who has been following the channel. Of course, it was a lot of friends and family in the 100 subscriber giveaway, but now at 250, we've got a lot more people that hopefully will enter in this thing and make it just a little bit more competitive and more fun. So once we hit 275 and finish this giveaway, the next big milestone I'm really pushing for is 500 subs. So anything you guys could do, if you know somebody that might be interested, definitely share the channel. But with that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys are enjoying everything we're putting out on the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.